Welcome to Tech, Fix, Printer, and Copy, your go-to channel for sharing tips, tutorials, and expertise on repairing printers, photocopiers, and toner cartridges. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a paper jam issue on the Brother HL-L2321D printer. Specifically, we'll address the problem where the paper exits the fuser unit, but doesn't pass through the exit unit. Stay tuned for the step-by-step guide, and please support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. It really helps. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. This issue is common across most Brother printer models after extended use, not just the Brother HL-L2321D. When you encounter this issue, remove the exit unit and clean it thoroughly. You can wash it with soap and water, or use alcohol to wipe it clean. Now, let's remove the jam paper. Please watch closely as I demonstrate how to disassemble and reassemble these parts of the printer. Wash these paper guide rollers with soap and water, or use a cloth soaked in alcohol to clean them thoroughly. After cleaning, let them dry under the sun for faster results, or use a hairdryer on a low setting to speed up the drying process. Next, thoroughly clean the fur rubber rollers on the paper exit shaft. This step is crucial. If you don't clean them properly, the issue may persist. Take your time to do it carefully, my friends. Now, let's reassemble the printer and test it to see if the paper jam issue is resolved. Great, all set now, my dear friends. Now, when you print a few pages, the printer should no longer leave those black smudges, my friends. Thank you all for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. I'm very happy to connect with all of you from around the world. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know where you're from. Let's share interesting things about the world of repairing office equipment together. Best regards.